Day 27, run 10 miles a day for 30 days. I'm actually already 3.5 miles in, but when I pulled my GoPro out earlier, there's no battery. So I did 2 laps, which is right around 3.5 miles. And then I grabbed my other battery. Luckily I charged it. And yeah, I think I let the battery die on accident yesterday when I was going through and deleting the videos from yesterday, so to clear my memory card. So, oh well, we'll have it now. And today sucks. Like, I thought it was going to be not so bad of a day, but a couple miles in, 3.5, I'm only 3.5 miles in right now, and I just feel terrible. Like, just like overtrained and really heavy, tightness everywhere. And yeah, we'll see how the rest of the run goes. 7 miles in, and I still feel like Dookie. The best possible way in which you can feel like Dookie, that's how I feel. Because everything's really heavy. Time seems like it's slowing down. Each step is heavy, but each step is a step closer to me being done with my goal. So, and then once I'm done with that goal, on to the next one. Don't stop. One step at a time. Day 27, run 10 miles a day for 30 days, all done. Whew. And the run did not get any better. Still rough, still heavy. And as I was checking my watch when time was running down, or when I was about to finish, I noticed I was going to be going over 2 hours. I was like, nope, I'm not going to be going over 2 hours. So I sped up the last mile or so, and I got 1:59.59 for 10 miles, 10.01 miles. So I am under that 12-minute per mile mark. So happy about that. But all in all, rough day as far as, you know, everything just feels heavy. I just feel tired. And that's what it is. Nothing really aches, nothing really hurts. No real bad soreness, a little bit of soreness, obviously, as I've mentioned pretty much every other day. But yeah, it just feels heavy. And I'm excited. So it's a good feeling to feel that I am working, right? So you know it's working if it sucks. And it sucks. So excited for 3 more days. And yeah, 3 more days. Can't believe it. Whew. What a ride. And I pretty much have the same reaction every single day. So and then when it gets rough out there, honestly, I just think about David Goggins. I go, yeah, if he could do it, I could do it. No, I take that back. He's a beast. And I definitely can't do what he does. But if I can try to do what he does, at least have his mindset, you know, it's like, dude, it sucks. He's, you know, because when he did it, and he's out there running, he's peeing blood. This is like his first 100 that he's done. He can't walk. He's dehydrated. Like, gah. If he could do that, then I can run these measly 10 miles, because it's honestly not that bad. And then I also, throughout the day, I like to play his like 1 minute, 30-second clips, or, you know, 30 seconds to a minute clips of him just yelling at the camera and talking about embrace the suck, stay hard, you know, and like be a savage. That's what I think about. So when I want to quit, I mean, I'm not even, actually, to be honest, I'm not close to quitting, but you know, when it sucks and and everything just feels heavy. I'm just like, oh, just like dragging butt. I just think about David Goggins and his voice in my mind. Stay hard, stay hard, stay hard. And I'm like, yeah, stay hard, Vince. How bad do you want it? And I ask myself, how bad do you want it? And I actually, this was from like 10 years ago, probably more than that, 15 maybe, when I was in high school. For some reason, when I listened to a Yellow Card song, I forgot what the song is called, but I'm listening to this Yellow Card song, and I think about, never, and when I want to quit, and like, never quit, never surrender. So I like to repeat that to myself. Never quit, never surrender. Never quit, never surrender. When things are getting rough, never quit, never surrender. So when I was running my 100 mile, it's like never quit, never surrender. And when I'm in a very compromised position, anywhere, like in jiu-jitsu or I'm just in a sucky situation, that's what I think to myself. Never quit, never surrender. Never quit, never surrender. And I repeat that to myself. I repeat that to myself like a million times, and I go, never quit, never surrender. I even like mouth it, like never quit, never surrender. And I push through it, and my face is like, never quit, never surrender. And just relates to David Goggins, because it's like all the same thing. Stay hard, be a beast. Never quit, never surrender. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. 3 more days. I feel like we're in this together. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like the video. See ya tomorrow.